Good morning, dear students. We are studying the chapter the economic business environment, and we studied about the economic reforms. So, in your book, the next topic given is the impact of economic changes, and another topic is given that the impact of privatization. All this. So, these topics are cancelled by the CBSE board. And the next topic that you have to study is about the managerial response to change in business environment. So, what are the changes taking place in the business environment, and how these changes are going to affect the business environment. So, we have to understand what is business environment. Business environment is the sum total of all the factors which can affect the business. Okay, and the changes, when you study that, very important feature of business environment is that it is a dynamic. Okay, and it means that always it is changing. So a lot amount of changes are taking place in the business environment. Okay, so now let us see what are the different type of changes that is taking place. So the first one, we can say it is about the changes of the taste and preference of the customers. So the taste and preference of the customers will be always changing. Okay, so see, for example, a person who is wearing jeans. So first, a person who is interested in wearing jeans, which is like faded jeans are there. So after some time, the taste of the, if they are watching a movie, and in that, if they find that the hero is wearing a pencil jeans, then they will be interested to wear the jeans. Okay, or if when they like, if they are, see, like movie, when they are shooting, many times they are taking the videos again and again. Okay, so sometimes when they are jumping or fighting and all, sometimes their pant and all, this jeans and all may get torn. So then it will become like already like damaged, like. So, and they may not see, they are very much interested in acting, so they may even act with the jeans which is already torn, and people start thinking that this is a new style, so let us start with this style, this is damaged style, so such a way the people new styles and new interests have been developed. Then change in the attitude of conduct of the suppliers. Okay, so the attitude of the suppliers also may be changing. So earlier they may be giving more products on credit, and now they say that no, I will now we will not be giving the products on credit, or they will reduce the amount of so some kind of conditions and so on, they will change in between. Okay, the attitude of the suppliers may change. Then change in the form of nature of competition, because the entry of many competing companies. So when new companies enter into the market, then the atmosphere or environment of competitors may change. So like if a company is starting in the beginning and only one company is there in the market, then it is very much easy for that company to run the business. But when when they find that this company is successful, like even Haria, if you consider, there are no shopping malls. So like this Grahika, one small shopping mall started like margin free market. Like now, see, they find that this type of shop is very much nice. Then the nearby area, these people also started developing their own stores, and now after some time you will find that there will be plenty of such type of shops. So the competition will be increasing. Then next one, change in the attitude of general public. So the attitude of the public also may be changing. Okay, so people, they may be considering that a company which is like a pollution, if a company is spreading pollution, then they try to oppose that company. In Bafnan Chini Mill, you can see that they are making some kind of pollution, and sometimes the people in that society, they are almost somewhat attached to the situation there, so they are not creating any problem. So but if they find that the problem, any kind of issues are there, sometimes they may start creating some issues. Means if there is a pollution, so the company has to take measures to control the pollution. So they will try to reduce the pollution so that the people may not get change their attitude. So these things we have to understand. Firms have to understand that the attitude of the people are going to change. Then change in the expectation of the people from the business. So people, every company, people are having some kind of expectation from different companies. So when you purchase a product, we expect that this company will always give us if you consider Tata. So whatever may be the product that the people Tata company is bringing, people have a attitude, or people know that the Tata company is a genuine company and it is running for many years. So whatever product the company is bringing will be nice. Good products only will be brought. So there is an expectation from the but if any company like Nestle products, you might have seen, like Nestle is one of the very famous company, but once there is and the people expect that the Nestle company will be always giving good high quality products. But there was a claim against the company that the company is like Maggi products are there, and in that some kind of chemicals are there, content of lead is there. So people started opposing. So suddenly the attitude of the people has changed, and after that it was proved that the arguments made was wrong. So the things that was not there. But also even after that proving that the product is good quality, or a product is not affected, then also people's attitude towards the company may not be changing. They are considering that still the company is not that much good. So the goodwill that the company already created has been spoiled. So the expectation of the people may be varying. Maybe if anything comes in the newspaper, or if any kind of issues are there, some people start some are giving some kind of fake news. So these things also may affect the reputation of the business. Then next one is the change in the political structure. So sometimes if the political support, always the business needs the political support, and if that may be changing, then it will also be affected. The company may affect that. So then change in economic policies. So if any economic policies of the government, like you have already studied that in 1991 there was a lot amount of changes, and because of that these changes made a huge changes in the business environment. So entirely the business environment has changed, especially the economic environment is entirely changed. And the change in the legal regulations, if sometimes when any new rules comes. So see, for example, if a customer is affected by a product, okay, and if some customers started complaining, one customer or many customers started complaining, and sometimes some consumer care organizations and all may take up this case, and they go for filing case against the company and so on. So sometimes if government makes, or court make a order that this type of products, you might have heard that the BS4 vehicles, or only BS3 vehicles can be banned, or only BS4 vehicles will be sold, or afterwards there will be only BS6 vehicles, or because the amount of pollution. So this can impact the business for a very high amount, because first of all they have to try to sell the products very fast, and the demand for the product will be very much low. So these type of issues will be there. And here in this chapter it is given about an example of the Nirma company. So Nirma company, the name of the Nirma company, earlier it is some few years back. So earlier the Nirma was a very famous company, washing powder Nirma, like that one song and all is there, you might be familiar. Even if you are not familiar, if you ask your parents, then they will be very much familiar with the product, because this Nirma was one of the very famous product in the market earlier. And before that there was no, mostly washing powder was there. So when they found that the products are very much attractive, or they are able to get a good success, they brought they analyzed the business environment, and they brought a new product, some washing soaps they brought, and that product also became successful. Then they brought a toilet soap. So different type of products they brought, somewhat related to the soap, and these products became very much famous, or they accepted, they got a good appreciation in the market, the good demand was there. So this they could succeed this one because they conducted a proper analysis of the business environment. And after seeing the success of the Nirma company, some other competitors were there, that is called Godrej and Hindustan. Now the company is called as the Unilever Corporation, Hindustan Liver Company. So these companies also found that these type of products are having so much demand. So they also brought some new products. Okay, so that one company brought Livil and another company brought a Breeze. Okay, the Godrej Unilever brought the Breeze product, and another company brought up. So the Godrej company brought a product called Livil, and another company, Hindustan Liver, they brought a product called Breeze. So these two soaps were introduced in the market, and they became successful. So different companies, so they also could bring up this product because of understanding the environment, business environment. So from this example, what we can understand is that knowing or understanding the business environment is very much essential for a business. If a company wants to be successful, then they have to understand what is happening outside. So they should understand what is the mind of the customers, what is the mind of the competitors, what is the taste and preference of the customers, what will be the attitude of the general public, what will be the attitude of the government, what will be the political situations, or what will be the legal environment. Every kind of aspects a company has to keep in mind when a company is bringing up a new product. Okay, so that's all about it, and thank you so much.